So this is Yonkers right here. As you can see, this is, so down there you got the train station down this way, right? So then the river is down there, but I'm not gonna take a walk all the way. This is Dock Street, so that's gonna take you to Dock Manor Street. This is City of Yonkers Mill Street. They're lighting up the Sawmill River. That you can pause for the previous closer crossing right there. Read about this right? Pause it on the video. Okay, so let's take a walk here. So this is the creek. Right? The creek. You do a walk past here. The creek. You see the creek right here. This one comes underneath this building. Goes underneath the building and goes around. So this is a walkway. So right now it's like I'm walking over the creek. And you can see the building is right here, you see. Because you see how it goes underneath the building. The water right here.
Be careful with the feces.
Yes ma'am, thank you. Yeah. They're all over the place. All over, yeah.
It's human.
Oh, it's human.
I walk by here every day. I don't know who cleans it, but it be human. Okay? I'm born and raised here.
Okay.
In Yonkers.
In Yonkers, okay.
I will never live in none
of these buildings around
these
here.
New buildings. Put me in the old one.
Okay.
Put me in the old one. You don't know what these people go through.
No.
With the people that hang out
That live here, yeah.
Horrible.
Wow. And they're not taking care of it, huh? The city is not taking care of it.
Do you watch Freddy Vasquez?
No.
No?
No.
I suggest you do.
Freddy Vasquez? That's his name?
Is Freddy Vasquez.
Okay.
You will find him on Facebook.
Okay.
And he speaks about Yonkers.
About Yonkers. Okay.
And a lot of people are now awake because of him.
Okay.
Yes, his basement.
I'll put a Freddy Vasquez.
Freddy Vasquez. Basement politics.
Okay.
He's trying right now. He's actually running.
Okay.
Trying to run for mayor.
Oh, he's trying to run for mayor right now. Okay.
So you already know. Everybody talking about everybody.
Correct, yeah.
And now that I'm old, I want to know.
You want to know more?
Yes.
Right, makes sense. Yeah.
But I wouldn't live here.
Even though they're a brand new building.
I wouldn't live here.
Right.
That's sad.
Only because of the people around here.
I'm sorry. Because I'm born and raised here.
Right.
All my life, finished school here, my kids, everything.
Okay.
But this is beautiful. But Yonkers residents can't afford it.
Oh.
It's not for us.
So they're pushing them out?
You know they are.
Okay.
You can't afford it.
Right.
I work for the school. 30,000 a year.
For the school system, yeah.
How can I afford this?
Yeah.
And I'm born and raised here.
Wow. So like you said, it's not for you.
It's not for me.
Yeah. Oh, okay, gotcha.
How I could move here?
You can't.
It's not fair.
Yeah.
My little money.
Your salary alone is not gonna cover for the whole year.
I struggle for my Metro card every month.
You're right.
Too bad.
It's terrible.
It makes me sad. I love this place. Just can't.
All right.
Have
a good one,
day.
huh? Yeah, I'm going right here. All right, have a good one. All right. $1 family dollar, you got this.